Hi, this is Mike Slowinski. I'm the Library Media Coordinator for the West De Pere School District. And today what we're going to learn how to do is to create additional pages off of your faculty page. So this would be something that may be of interest to you if you want to create a different page for each one of your classes where you post assignments or links or documents for your students to access. Or if you are part of an extracurricular activity and you'd like to post schedules or announcements for your students to get access to. So the page I'm on right here is right after I've logged into CMS4Schools. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit My Profile, which is on the left side menu. And this brings us to our profile page. Now, at this time, what I'm going to have you do is actually open up a second tab. It's going to be useful to us because we'll have the behind the scenes view, which is right here, but I also want you to be able to see the live version on the internet so you can check your work. So if you go up to creating a new tab right here on your browser, go ahead and click that, and then get back to your faculty profile. What you're going to do is copy and paste the URL of your website. So you can find that right after faculty folder. Just go ahead and highlight that information and copy it, and then go back to your new tab and paste that into the URL bar here. Okay, so here's the live version on the internet of my profile page, and if I click back on my other tab, this is the behind the scenes version. Alright, so the first step to creating a new page is you're actually going to find your name in the left side menu and go ahead and click on that. Alright, this is going to bring you to what we call a navigation builder, and what that does is it shows you all the pages that you have and where they are on your website. So as you can see, I only have one page, which is my profile page right now. It tells you the level of the page, which we'll get to in just a minute, as well as the name of the page, and then it allows you to update it or preview it on the live web. So to create a new page, you're just going to go up to the link above the navigation builder, which says add page, and click on that. And it's going to ask you for the navigation link name, which is just going to say when this shows up on the left side menu here, what is the link going to be called. So you can see for my profile page, the link is called Michael Slowinski. So let's say that I'm creating this for an algebra class. So I'm going to go ahead and type in algebra, and that's going to be the name of the website. Now if we go down a little further to navigation type, pretty much you're always going to go to internal web page. Basically what you're telling the computer here is that this new page, this algebra page, is going to be a part of your faculty website. So then once you click on that, it gives you two more boxes you need to fill out. The physical file name is going to be the end of your URL. So what is the last part of the URL for this specific page going to be? And basically you want to keep it pretty simple. Since my page name is algebra, I'll just go ahead and type in algebra for the end of the URL. A couple things to know about the physical file name here is that you can't have spaces, and in general it needs to be all small case letters. Then if we go to page title, this is going to be, as it says, the title of the page. Again, I'm going to keep this pretty simple here and just go with algebra. And basically where this shows up, you can see that the page we're on right now is called Add Page. And so it's just going to show up right at the top in bold. Now it gives you the option to left justify or center the title. So here on this page they've centered Add Page. We're going to keep it left justified. Keep scrolling down. Navigation link status, make sure it's active. So that means that people, when they're out on the internet, can click on it. And then it'll give you the order. So once you start creating multiple pages, you can decide whether you want the algebra page to show up before or after your geometry page on the menu. And then the navigation level. Alright, so if I click on the navigation level, it's going to ask me 1 or 2. If I choose 1, this is going to show up, my page is going to show up right here after my profile link. Okay, so we're working on level 1 pages, so I'll go ahead and click on that. and then I'm going to click Add to create the page. Okay, so on my navigation builder, you can see that I now have 2 level 1 pages. Here's my algebra page. Here are the different places on the page that I can edit, and I can update the details of the page or delete it if I want. If I click over to the live version on the internet and I hit refresh, you can see that now my page has been updated. So if somebody comes and clicks on my profile link, they will also have the option now to go to my algebra page. So if I click on the algebra page, there it is, and it brings me to the algebra page. I don't have any content on there yet, but if you're interested in finding out how to add content, be sure to check out that tutorial as well. So I'm going to click back to my profile page here, and if I wanted to add another page, you can just go ahead and click the link there. Alright, well that's all there is to it, and good luck.